Okay, obviously we're not at our normal setup for your health tip this week. I ran into some technical issues, so we're recording it at 9:30 the night before, but we wanted to get this out to you because we believe it's so important. Most of us have a working knowledge of the power of apple cider vinegar. Now, this stuff does seemingly everything from reducing reflux, cleaning floors, healing wounds, and detoxifying the body. It feels like there's little that it can't do, but there's one attribute that you may not be aware of. Research has shown that ACV actually has the ability to optimize blood insulin levels in humans. Taking just 2 tablespoons of ACV with a meal containing carbohydrates can help optimize insulin and blood sugar response by as much as 30%, and that's a huge impact. We get asked a lot why insulin is so important, and we love answering this question because insulin helps us develop early warning systems for bigger problems later. Just like you want to know whether a hurricane or tornado is coming, knowing your insulin numbers before your blood sugar gets into the diabetic range is highly valuable. Insulin is the proverbial canary in the coal mine when it comes to most chronic disease states. Name the disease and you can almost always count on insulin being elevated and one of the primary drivers of that disease. That's why having a cheap, easy supplement like ACV should be a staple in everyone's cabinet. One of the biggest complaints obviously is about the taste when it comes to ACV. It can be harsh on the mouth and the stomach, so we recommend diluting 2 tablespoons into a cup of water and squeezing some lemon or lime for the taste. And if it's harsh on your stomach, you can actually add a 1/3 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking soda into the mix for a quick fix. Thanks for watching, everyone. We really hope this was helpful. As always, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out via email, give us a call, or obviously visit us in store. We're always happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.